Again, here's my new Delta 1x42 clone strip grinder that I just made and going to be marketing. Again, it's got the upgrades with the adjustable tension spring on the back, the table bracket that I have on here, upgraded from the standard Delta. It's got the receiver built in, goes all the way back with a heavy bar on it. All very serious upgrades to the Delta model, and works very nicely. Also has the adjustable tracking. I'm just going to show some operation of it here. I got it hooked up on it with a 3-phase motor and a VFD, which is, as far as I'm concerned, is the only way to go. I know a lot of you guys are scared of 3-phase machines, but allows you to adjust the variable speed here. Run at any speed with it. Runs real smooth, very good. Pick her up. See how the belt stays right on the wheel with that adjustable tension on it. Don't slide the belt. Pretty much it. Crank it on up higher than that. Gonna do another video showing my new contact wheel attachment that I have for it. That'll be in my next video. Thank you.